To activate your HSBC security device, start by ensuring you have received the device and have your HSBC online banking credentials ready. The HSBC security device is a small handheld device that generates a unique code to enhance the security of your online banking transactions. First, log in to your HSBC online banking account using your username and password. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Security Settings section, where you will find the option to activate your security device. Click on this option to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to enter the serial number of your security device, which can be found on the back or bottom of the device. Enter the serial number carefully, making sure to include all numbers and letters. Next, you will be asked to generate a code using your security device. To do this, press the button on the device to generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code into the required field on the online banking page. After entering the code, you will be asked to confirm that the code is correct. If the code is correct, your security device will be activated, and you will be able to use it to authenticate your online banking transactions. It is essential to keep your security device safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Make sure to store the device in a secure location, out of reach of others, and never share the codes generated by the device with anyone. In case you encounter any issues during the activation process, you can contact HSBC customer support for assistance. They will be able to guide you through the process and help resolve any problems you may be experiencing. By following these steps, you can successfully activate your HSBC security device and add an extra layer of security to your online banking transactions. Remember to always keep your device and codes secure to protect your account from unauthorized access.